Tell me one thing. Do you ever pay people to write good reviews about your site? Because many people do that. I've heard about it. Diwali is approaching, right? I am thinking of buying a sofa cover. I am a customer, and you have to convince me to buy your sofa cover. I shouldn't go for any other one, right? Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible. How are you?
Oh, I am doing well. Thank you so much for asking. And what about you?
I am also doing great. Your name is Naval.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Nawal Azmera. I am a working professional.
Okay.
I work in a company as an e-commerce executive. Yes.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. My name is Nawal Azmera, as you already know, and I am connecting to you from Jaipur city, which is in Rajasthan state. And talking about my profession, currently I am working in a company as an e-commerce executive, and it has been more than 3 years. I have been working in this sector, and apart from this, these days I am working on my English, because as we all know, English is very important in our personal and professional life both. So that is the only reason I'm here. Yeah, and I'm very excited to meet you because we have been trying to connect to each other for a long time, and finally we are connected. So I'm very glad to meet you today.
I am also really excited to talk to you, Naval. Okay, tell me, have you done BTech?
No, ma'am, I haven't done BTech. I am a college dropout. Um, so yeah, I was doing my graduation like in BSc, but I could not complete it because of some issues. Yeah.
So you didn't complete BSc and you still got a job in e-commerce.
Yes. So I did a diploma course.
Mhm.
It was about like advanced Excel. So after doing that course, I gave interviews in 2-3 companies. Then I got selected one of them, and yes, since then I have been working in this sector.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
So what is your work profile?
I work as an e-commerce executive. So if I talk about my roles and responsibilities, so I'm responsible for listing products on various marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio. I have to upload product images. I have to upload descriptions, uh, like prices and sizes, fabric. Like we are dealing in home furnishing category, so I have to upload the product description on those marketplaces, and I have to manage inventory as well, and I have to handle customer returns and pickups. And apart from this, I have to run ads sometimes to gain like to get more traffic.
So basically
Yes.
inventory management as well as marketing as well as uploading content, descriptions,
Yes,
everything.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, I do. Yes. So I do process order as well. Orders, I have to process orders. Like if we get any order from customer, so I have to process those orders. Yes.
Okay. So are you loving your job?
Yes, I love I love my job because I have been working in this sector for more than 3 years, and I have been learning many things like what how can we build a brand, how can we make a build good brand. If we have good product, good quality product, so we can build a brand in the market.
Please, how to increase the brand value in the market, right?
Yes. It depends on like what is the quality of your product. If you are selling good quality product, then you will not have to put a lot of efforts, because after sometimes your you will get organic traffic from your website, from those marketplaces, if you are selling good quality product. Because if you are able to if you are able to relate with your customers, uh, I don't know how to say. Expectations, if you are giving them good according to their expectations, so they will more likely to buy again from you.
If you are meeting customers' expectations, they are more likely to buy in future, right?
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Thank you so much for
Tell me
correcting.
one thing. Do you ever pay people to write good reviews about your site? Because many people do that. I've heard about it.
No, so we don't do like that. We haven't done it. We haven't done it yet, because if you are uh, if you want that other people write review for you, like we called them fake reviews. So because if you are like if you are I don't know how to say. If you want people to write fake review for your brand, so they yeah, you will get orders from like if you write fake reviews, so you will get orders, but after sometimes you will get a lot of returns. People will not buy your product again, and because if they don't like your product quality, so they will not buy it again, and your brand value uh, will also, your visibility also will be decreased.
Okay, you want to say that if you ask people to write fake reviews, you could get some
Yes, yes,
orders, you could get some
yes,
sales,
yes,
but for the long term success, you have to have genuine products or services. Otherwise, these
yes,
customers
ma'am.
will not be, you will not get long term success, right?
Absolutely, ma'am. You are right. You are right.
What kind of products does your site sell?
So we sell home furnishing items like bed sheets, cushion cover, blankets, curtains, divan set, sofa cover. We are selling such kind of products.
Diwali is approaching, right? I am thinking of buying a sofa cover. Now,
Okay.
you promote your sofa cover in such a way that you convince me to buy that one. So I am a customer and you have to convince me to buy
Okay.
your sofa cover. I shouldn't go for any other one, right? So now tell me what are the features and everything.
Okay.
Show me
So
how
we
good a
deal.
salesman you are.
Okay. Let me try it because I haven't done it before. Like we are doing it online, so I don't get
But
chance
you write
to.
the description in such a way that people get attracted to them, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So
So
now
I
tell
write
me
about
the
like what is
description. Tell me the description and features and customer reviews. Tell me everything so that
the.
I feel that this is the most amazing sofa
Yes,
cover
yes.
that I have ever seen.
So, ma'am, if you want to buy a sofa cover from our website, so we sell, good quality sofa covers. We made it. It is made by 100% pure cotton, and if you use is it for a long time, uh, we use fast colors. Color will not fade for if you wash if you do 50 wash or 60 wash. Color will not fade of our sofa cover, and we do block printing as well on sofa covers. So like block printing is very expensive. Like it will not fade away from your sofa, and we have unique sofas. Like we combine small patches, and we make sofas from them, and we use different designs in our sofas, and it has like uh, if you want to feel like I don't know how to say. If you sit on that sofa cover, so you will feel good. You will feel comfortable. You will not feel like it is skin friendly as well. You will not face any kind of trouble when you sit on sofa. So and it is very affordable, like not very expensive. So you can buy it like in a we have like 700, 1000, 1200, 1700. We have divided into three categories according to their print and pattern. Like yes,
Okay.
fabric thread counts. Yeah.
Does the material get rough after washing it?
No, ma'am, it will not rough. It will get, smooth because it's a pure cotton. So it will, it will uh, shine more. Like it will shine more like, after washing. So it will not rough. Like I would say, like we say, I'm not getting that word in my mind. How to say? रोए निकल जाना मतलब रोए निकलते हैं
It will
कोपे के
not
अंदर
have
what we call
lint.
it.
It will not have lint.
Yes, yes,
Okay. So you
yes,
mean to say
yes.
it will
After
not get
washing.
rough, it won't have lint, it will become softer and shinier as I wash it
Yes,
with
ma'am.
each
Yes,
wash.
ma'am. Yes. If my English would be good, so I could explain more clearly.
Okay. So you think that you are not able to express yourself completely in English. So you can say what you
Yes,
feel, but
ma'am.
you are not able to express all your feelings when you speak in
Yes,
English,
yes,
right?
yes, ma'am.
What do you think is the reason
Yes,
for that?
because I haven't done it before. One of the most like this is the first reason I haven't introduced to someone about my products. Yeah, about our products, and so it is the this is the first reason, and I don't have good command over this language. because I have been learning this language for quite some time, and I do not do any practice. I only listen videos and I try to imitate, and I do certain practice. Yeah, that's how I have learned.
See, listening to English content is just one side of it. You are just putting content in your head, but it's never coming out. So listening and speaking should be equal. If you just keep listening, it will not have any effect.
Uh,
You have to speak also. So how do you do your English speaking practice?
so I have 2 3 apps where I do practice. Ace Fluency and CV, where I talk to co-learners. Yes, ma'am.
So have you taken subscription of CV?
I haven't taken subscription. I because I get 30 minutes every day on CV.
30
So
minutes
I use
free
that
talk
30
time
minutes
on CV.
free talk time. Yes, on Ace Fluency I get 20 minutes of free talk time. So I
Okay, on both
use.
these apps, you talk to co-learners, right?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
don't talk to any native speakers. Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to talk to the CV AI speaker, then you have to take
Uh,
subscription. No?
yes.
Okay.
Absolutely right.
So when you talk to co-learners, do you get nervous?
No, I do not get nervous. Like right now, I'm a little bit nervous because you are very superior than me, and you have good command over this language, and I am beginner in this language, so I'm a little bit nervous. But when I talk to co-learners, I don't feel nervous.
So when you make calls with co-learners on CV and Ace Fluency, you make only audio calls, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes, yeah.
So you are right now on a video call with me. So video calls also make you nervous, no?
Yeah, so I am doing video calls these days. So definitely it will be able to improve my spoken English.
Yeah.
I think
Start
so.
making more video calls. That will be really helpful for you. So on which app do you have video sessions?
Yes. So I do have video sessions on Skype. Like I do approach people.
Okay.
Skype. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
you are in a Skype group?
Yes.
Okay. You have so many people to talk to. Okay. And
Yes.
you have a YouTube channel also.
Yes. I have recently started my YouTube channel. Yes, ma'am.
So whoever I talk to, I ask them, and most of them have their own YouTube channel.
My motive is to start this YouTube channel because I want to improve my spoken English. That's why I have started this YouTube channel. Because if I will edit that video, so I will have to listen that video whole again, and I will edit that video, and it will good for me. It will be, yeah.
So, in your office also, you think that you need English, you need good command over English in your office?
So
Do
I
all-
don't have
Okay.
I don't have English
Does
speaking
everyone speak
environment.
English in your office?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Everyone speaks in Hindi.
Oh, they all speak in Hindi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes like if they do have meetings, so they speak in English. Otherwise, they do speak in Hindi language.
Okay. After improving your English and after becoming fluent in English, do you want to change your job?
I want to change my job, and I want to get more salary. I want to become. Yes. Yeah, I want to change. Yeah, my job.
Want a better job which with better pay, right? But
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is one
Yes,
thing,
ma'am.
you have not completed your graduation. So there would be some people and some companies which may like you, your expertise, your skills, everything, but they may not hire you just because you have not completed your graduation. I think you should complete
Uh,
your graduation because that will
yes,
be
ma'am.
order in
Definitely.
your progress, no?
Yes, I can do it for non-college.
Yeah.
I will not have to do it. Yes.
See, I think requires practical. So I think BSc can't be done from non-college. So you could do BA or BCom. That can be done. You don't have to go anywhere. Just go and write the exams, and you can do it from home. But if you do graduation, then graduation plus all
Mhm.
your skills plus your experience, all these things together will get you a very good job. But if you are not a graduate, then you will lose so many jobs.
Absolutely, yes, you are right, ma'am. So I will try to, I will complete like in BA if I couldn't, if I don't do, I don't know how to say.
I think it's
If I
not
do not
possible to do
complete,
BSc from non-college because it
yeah,
has some practicals which require the attendance, right?
yeah,
So BA and BCom can be done through correspondence easily.
okay, ma'am, okay. I will do it because, you are right. If I want to get a good job, so it is necessary.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah,
graduation is the basic minimum. They expect you to at least do
basically.
graduation. They would see if you have not done post graduation, BTech or MBA or nothing. If they will see that graduation is also not there, so many people who would like to hire you will also be reluctant to hire you.
Mm. Yes, yes. And if they hire you, so I will not get that much pay. Like they will not offer me that much salary
Right, right.
because of
You
my
will get less pay.
yeah.
Plus, there is one more thing. When it's time for a promotion, then you will not get promotion because they will say that graduation is compulsory for this promotion. So, in your office, in your job, you will be stuck at one point. You will not get good promotions.
Definitely, ma'am. I will complete my graduation. I think I'm. You are right, ma'am.
Tell me
Yeah,
about your
I
siblings.
should. So there, we are family of 7 members. So I have four. Yes, I have 4 siblings. Uh, I have 3 sisters and one younger brother. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have three sisters and one younger brother. You are the eldest one.
Uh, I'm like middle one, I would say.
You are the middle one.
Yes.
So, your elder sister has got married.
My 2 sisters have got married, and one is doing government job in government school,
Okay,
and yeah, and my younger brother is doing study.
okay. What is your younger brother doing?
Elder brother, my
No, no.
I
What
am
is your, what is your younger brother
younger
doing?
brother. He is doing study, ma'am. He is in like first year,
First?
first year,
First year. Okay.
first year in college.
First year.
Yes, yes.
So, which college degree is he pursuing?
He is doing BA. BA. He's doing BA from local college. Yeah.
Okay. So, he also wants to do a job after graduation, or he wants to go for MBA.
Yeah, I was suggesting you should do MBA. Like if you want to go in corporate sector, so you should do like a MBA
Actually,
because
yeah,
MBA is good option.
MBA is a very good degree if you want to work in
Uh,
corporates. Even you can
yes,
do
yes,
that
yes.
when you complete your BA and just keep
Uh,
working, and then you can take a break for 2 years and do MBA.
okay, should I do MBA, ma'am? Okay,
MBA is very good. Actually, my son is in first year. We have suggested him that
okay,
complete graduation, then work for 2 3
okay,
years. After that, stop working and do MBA, then start working again. So then he will get an amazing job. MBA
okay.
plus work experience, that is a very good
Um,
combination.
absolutely, you are right, ma'am.
What does your father do?
My father is a farmer, ma'am.
Okay. So you live in a village?
Yes, yes, I live in village.
Oh, acha. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So there is no English speaking atmosphere in your village?
No, ma'am, there is no English speaking atmosphere.
So are you the only one who speaks English in your village?
Yes, in my town, I'm only one who speaks in English.
Only person in your whole town who speaks English. Oh, great. That's great.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So whenever someone comes in the town who speaks English, they must be saying that please talk to Naval because he's the only one who knows English, right?
Yes. Yes, because they do not know English, so they don't talk to me in English. They talk in our local language.
Yeah. Okay, Naval, do you have any questions for me?
Ma'am, I do not have any particular question. So I would like to ask you how was your health because you were not well today. I
Actually,
think you are having cold.
day
Okay.
before yesterday also I was not well. Yesterday also I had fever, and even today I have fever. But I thought let me not cancel again and again. It won't be
Uh,
good. Naval is waiting. That is why I connected with you today. I'm not well even
yes.
right now.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Great. I am also having cold. Yeah. Yes, yes. Because the weather is changing. That's why it is happening. I think so. Yeah. I wish you could like you will be healthy soon.
That you get well soon.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Ma'am. I wish you will get healthy soon.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your wishes. And yeah, we can connect again after 2 3 months. You can approach me again and we can connect
Okay,
again. And
ma'am.
then I will see how much you have improved and focus more on speaking. I mean, you
Okay,
are
ma'am.
listening already, but focus more on speaking. Do speaking practice every day, right? So,
Okay.
all the best, Naval. It was so nice talking to
Sure,
you.
ma'am.
Okay.
Same here, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then. Bye bye. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Same here.